Well, I made it. I didn't die. I've never been up here before. I think it connects to one of the trails that goes on the side of the falls, because I recognize where this may lead. But let me just show you my view. Try not to get too close to the edge here. Here's what I'm looking at. Just want to get away from that edge, because I do not like heights at all. Although if I have the right ground and I know where I'm stepping, I feel like there's enough space for me, I will climb up cliffs like that, as long as I don't look down. So let me give you another look here of what I'm over here. Seems to be another path along here. I can see some people way up here. Probably leads to the main path. And this obviously used to be a road at one point, maybe. I'm going to take a little adventure over this way. I think I'm going to do more of these nature video blogs, because I like exploring, and there's some beautiful areas up north, actually. You can get lost in the forest, like literally. Mosquitoes are absolutely crazy, but in the end it's worth it. I like driving down some of the back roads and seeing what's there. When you're up north and you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have to worry about listening to cars all day and honking and that sort of thing. It's a different vibe, you know. And the city is it's nothing like being up north in the country. People are a lot nicer too, I think. It's not any disrespect to the nice people in the cities, but that's just my observations, that I find people are friendlier, and you know, you can talk to strangers without it being socially awkward, which it should never be socially awkward, but for some reason this generation has created some kind of social anxiety that's normalized, that people don't talk to complete strangers without them being connected to a friend or somebody. Well, I wish I could spend the rest of this day exploring here, but I do have other plans this afternoon. But you know what? It won't stop me from seeing what's around this corner, I think. There's a snake, gardener snake. I've actually picked one of those up before. They're absolutely harmless. I think I should have tried to pick it up anyway. I'll probably end up falling off a cliff or something trying to get it. They're absolutely harmless, these things. I've had it try to bite my finger before, and it's, you know, it's just a nibble. It's nothing too much. Of course, you always grab the snake by the head. You never, well, so you gotta be aware of what you're doing, obviously. Yeah, that snake will just keep going. He's going right over by the cliff, so I will not be chasing him up the cliff, obviously. Okay, well, I think I'm coming up to a main pathway here. Let's take a detour just for fun. Which also leads to the main pathway. This used to be a road. I don't recall if I've ever traveled down it before in the past, but it is now a walkway, or a pathway, or whichever you'd like to call it. Just like to remind you again, just think of what this will look like in July, when this is all filled up with leaves and shrubs and stuff. It just comes alive, this whole place. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video. This was my very short trek through the woods in nature in Mount Omnium Falls. I could literally spend the entire day out here exploring. I'm hoping to do that more this summer, because I just want to take advantage of the summer and the warmth and the, you know, this is my season. So winter can fuck off and summer can stick around forever. Anyway, this is Andrew, and I'm peacing out. Enjoy the summer.